I have been getting my ass kicked lately. This month, I'm down $85,000. This will be potentially my first red month since August of 2024. Now, red months are normal, right? Normally, 1 out of 12 months, I will have a red month. And that's simply because no matter what your strategy is, no matter how good it is, there will always be some type of drawdown. Now, in today's video, I want to go over my $60,000 in losses that happened today. We're going to specifically talk about my Tesla calls, which I ended up closing for a $385 profit. We're going to talk about why I closed this position, why I think there's a pretty good chance that price may continue to sell off in the next couple of days down to $275, but why, most importantly, I still think that there is a chance that we could see $550 to $600 by the end of this year into early 2025. Now, if you want to learn my exact strategy, get access to the BX Trender and all the indicators that you see here, the link to my free 12 course series will be in the description. The only thing that I ask in return for sharing this with you is that you actually take the courses in sequential order, starting with the BX Trender and moving through the rest of them. It's not enough to just get the indicators and try to trade. You need to actually understand the system and master the methodology behind it. Now, the calls that we ended up buying were 8/15/2025 $320 calls. You can see that we bought 20 of these back here on June 13th at 9:34 a.m. for an average price of $32.80. And we ended up selling them today before the market closed at 15:53, or basically 3:53 p.m. for $33. So we took a small profit on this trade, but you have to realize that like at one point I was actually up close to $20,000, especially the first day when Tesla ran about 4.5%. So this didn't contribute to my big loss today. That was mainly from MSTR and MARA, which I'm going to be doing a video on, but it still sucks to see a $20,000 profit evaporate basically into an even position. But of course, that's better than holding on to a loss longer than you need to and just continuing to lose money. Now, the first thing we're going to do when it comes to analysis is look at the reason I took those calls in the first place, then look at the broader, longer term setup that's in the market. This is our daily BX bot. This is my main go-to strategy. This will post inside of my Discord community for myself and my followers, telling us when our criteria is met and when it is not met. Obviously, when the criteria is met, I will take a position. When it's no longer met, I will exit the position. If we followed this strategy in depth for the past 4 years, so took all 55 positions, no matter if it was COVID, no matter if it was inflation, no matter if it was the 2022 bear market, no matter if it was a tariff war, we take all of these positions, which is what I do, then we would have made a 615% return on capital trading shares alone, which beats the 61% performance of just buying and holding the stock. So for those of you who say technical analysis does not work, there you go. It was better than buying and holding. Now, here's the important thing to remember. Our win rate, so basically the amount of times that we would win, was only 44%. So with this strategy, we are losing more times than we are winning. You could see that we had a max drawdown of 30%, meaning that from highs to lows, the account pulled back 30%. Which is pretty healthy, right? Nobody wants to lose, but losing is a part of the game. There's no way around it. But the reason that makes this such a profitable trading strategy is not because of the accuracy, which again is 44%, but instead because of how much we are winning on average when we are right and how little we are losing when we are wrong. So our average win when we're right, which is 44% of the time, is 13.85%. Our average loss, which happens about 55% of the time, is only 3%. This gives us an average return, if we were to smooth that out over the 55 trades, of 4.31%, and most importantly, a risk versus reward ratio of 4.5. This is what makes the strategy so strong. Imagine that you're playing roulette and you only have a 44% chance to hit black. If you were to play 55 rounds of roulette or 55 spins on the roulette wheel, you would only win 44% of the time. But when you hit black, you get paid 4.5 to 1. Everybody would sit there and spin the roulette wheel, until they passed out or walked out millionaires. And that is the goal when it comes to trading. Now let's talk about our entry criteria for this. What we want to see is the monthly BX showing strength, the weekly BX showing strength, and then the daily BX, which is this indicator at the bottom, which once again, you can get for free in our courses below, showing strength. Now the strength on the daily is an increase from lower lows, which is dark red here, to higher lows. Once we get this shift from dark red to light red, that is our indication that we can go long. And you can see the bot would have entered here on June 11th, 2025. Now, we ended up entering a couple days later on the 13th because I wanted to see if price would carry its way through, and it didn't. It started to pull back. I saw that there was a little bit better of a buying opportunity and that I was going to get in. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row of an expansion, meaning that we have continued higher highs and higher lows, followed by one lower low today. So today, June 17th, would be our sign to exit this position. And now here's the thing. If tomorrow price bounces and this flips from dark red to light red, then we can simply just get back into the position. There are so many people that I see who for some reason just will not get back into a position once their criteria is met because they don't want to look at the trade anymore and they want to move on. But that's the exact opposite. You can see here with this strategy in the past couple of weeks, we would have had an entry here on April 23rd when the BX trender flipped to a lower high, and we would have entered the very next morning. We would have made a 9.7% profit. The very next morning, we would have gotten back in, made a 16% profit. The very, 2 days later, we would have taken a small 2.5% loss. And then here, if we entered on the 11th instead of the 13th, we would have made a 5% loss, but instead we broke even. So learning to just walk away from positions is one of the most important things if you want to do this professionally. People online will try to pretend that they don't lose, but I promise you losing is the most important thing, and it happens to everybody, and the faster that you move on, the better you will do. Now, looking at worst case scenarios here, we have sold off, price bounced. I was hoping we would sweep up to this higher high, didn't happen. Now that the BX has flipped dark red, I think worst case we will fall back down to this $275 volume shelf. If that happens, I will continue to sit out of Tesla, wait for our requirements on the daily to be met once again, and then look to go long. Now, even with my 2025 calls being off the table, I'm still holding my 2026 calls. This is because our weekly criteria is still being met. This has a higher win rate of about 63%, with once again a strong risk versus reward ratio of 4.5. This has a bigger average win of 36%, with also a bigger average loss, but that ratio is still there. These requirements are still being met. The BX trender is green, showing strength on the weekly. The monthly is green, showing strength on the monthly. Now you have to understand that right here it's red, but this candle has not closed yet. What we care about is the candle prior, which has closed. That's what's giving us confirmation. So looking at this historical trading of this trading system and this bot, this purple line is what's giving us the expected price over the next 3 to 6 months. So if, right, big if here, if this breakout happens, then we should see the push to all-time highs at $500 by September or October, and best case $600 by October into November. If we see the monthly BX close red and we see the weekly BX close red, then this setup will no longer be in play, and price action would unfortunately most likely reject back down to our worst case scenario of $250. From there, we would hope to see price bounce off of that $250 level and then look to break out late September, November, and into December. My goal here as a trader and a fund manager is not to predict what is going to happen. It's not to look at the news cycle. It's not to worry about what the Federal Reserve is doing or what's going to happen with any subsequent war. The goal is just to follow my system through thick and thin, even if I think that the market is going to sell off, even if I think that the tariff war is going to continue. My thoughts do not matter in my decision making. What matters is if my system requirements are being met. And if they're being met, then I will take the position no matter what. But this is where risk management comes in and why it's extremely important. This position here was worth about $65,000, which, depending on the size of your account, that is a lot of money. But if we take a look at just even my returns in the past 2 years on Tesla, we are up over $1.82 million. So, of those profits, that $60,000 is about 3% position sizing of just the profits that we have accumulated. The goal when you're trading, as I've always stated, is to stick to your system. It's not to hit a home run. Because with my system specifically, we only have a 45 to 55% win rate. So there's no reason to bet the house on the next trade. What we need to do is sit down at the metaphorical table long enough to actually allow our edge to play out in our favor. The stock market is very much so like the casino. The casino does not want you to sit there long enough to make your strategy work in your favor. The casino does not want you to play methodically. It doesn't want you to think clearly. They don't want you to be patient. They want to fill you with drinks. They want to scare you into making decisions. They want you to become greedy so that you start to take bigger position sizing. And the market is the same exact way. And this is why we don't care about news. This is why we don't care about the Fed. This is why we only care about our system, because it's the only thing that we can control. As always, guys, thank you for all of your support. Comment down below what you think is going to happen to Tesla in the next couple of weeks. If you want to learn our trading system completely for free, check out our 12-step course series down in the description. And if you want to trade with me live each and every single day, get access to all of my real-time trade alerts, and join a community of other like-minded traders who are trading the same exact system, you can join our private Discord community with the link in the description.